How to connect Amazfit Bip 6 to Strava. All right, so your first step is actually pairing your Bip 6 with the Zepp app. So before connecting to Strava, make sure your Bip 6 is paired with the Zepp app. So basically, you have to install the Zepp app, sign in or create an account, tap on your profile, which would lead you here, and then add your Amaz Bip 6 and complete the pairing. The app that is the Zepp app is the hub that syncs your activity data from the BIP6 to third-party services such as Strava. Now, the next step is opening the third-party account linking. So now connect your Zepp to Strava. So just open up the Zepp application, tap on your profile, and select third-party account linking, and then click on Strava. So go ahead and choose Strava. Then just sign into your Strava account. You'll be prompted to do so on your mobile device. Sign into Strava, log into your account, tap on authorize, which enables activity uploads from Zepp to Strava, and then you can now begin recording an activity. So how does this actually work? Just basically after you've authorized it, all you need to do is just sync your watch with the Zepp app by having a connection, and then wait a few moments and then open up Strava on your mobile device. Your activity should appear there automatically. You can also verify the sync by opening Strava and checking your activity feed. You should see your distance covered, time, pace, GPS routes, and your heart rate data. All right, so if Strava isn't syncing, you could try opening up the Zepp app, going into the third party account linking section again, and then once you're there, unlink Strava and link it back again and authorize access. So you just perform the entire task one more time. That should fix the problem. All right.